Idaho is quickly becoming a center of semiconductor technology, and University of Idaho is helping drive this by giving students real-world experience building the chips that are powering modern life. Semiconductor education. Why is this so important to the University of Idaho, and why is it a priority to our great state?
Semiconductor chips powers everything from our phones to our cars. And the recent global semiconductor shortage reveals how important they are. With Micron's major expansion in Boise, the need for the semiconductor workers is only increasing.
So tell me about the Next Generation Microelectronics Research Center and some of the really great hands-on opportunities that it offers to the students here at University of Idaho.
We train the students on the similar tools in industry. So we get the student ready to work in their semiconductor companies like Micron.
That's amazing. So this is like a really great experience that they get hands-on while they're in the learning setting that then they can apply out into the real world. And this is something, Connor, that I know you've actually had the opportunity to do and take advantage of. Congratulations. I know you graduated here from U of I.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit more, though, about your undergrad experience and some of the great projects that you worked on through this research center.
I was really interested in semiconductors. I kind of have been since I've been a kid, and having the opportunity to walk by the clean room like we just did and see, oh, there's people in there, there's people working and they're printing chips. And as soon as I saw that freshman year, I knew I wanted to get involved in that. And so I just found Dr. Lee in his office and said, hey, I know I'm young, I know I don't know as much as maybe your master's or PhD students, but if there's any work, I will do it and just send it my way.
I understand that a lot of the projects that you guys work on are actually sponsored projects. So tell me a little more about some of those partnerships. Like who are these sponsors that you work with, and how does their support really kind of fuel the work that you do?
Through the collaboration and the partnership with Micron, and also the competitive research grants from federal agencies like National Science Foundation and NASA, the students and faculty work on real-world problems with the real stakes. So this training helps students to gain the hands-on experience in this classroom and get ready for the workforce for semiconductors.
Tell me about some of the new technologies that you guys are focusing on, and then maybe also some of the challenges that you're tackling.
We're integrating the next generation semiconductor materials like silicon carbide and diamond into the design and fabrication of chips and the devices like this one.
Wow, and so what is this right here?
This is a 3D packaging of semiconductor devices or chips to include more function in a smaller footprint.
Oh my goodness. Okay, and Connor, what's it like being able to be a part of something like this?
It's incredible. I think being a part of say for this project, a 3D chip stacking, and then moving to Micron, and they're doing 3D chip stacking, and so I kind of have this a little bit of more well-rounded knowledge than I would have otherwise. All the projects that are new and up and coming, if Micron's sponsoring them, Micron kind of has a reason to, right? Micron's adding 10,000 jobs to the Boise market, and so if these Idaho institutions don't supply that workforce, they're going to have to reach from other places.
So where would I see this being used in the real world?
So potentially this high temperature electronics can be used like electrical vehicles.
Okay.
Like for Idaho, we have a lot of wildfires.
Yes.
And so the detection, the sensor for wind, heat.
This is amazing. This is great. I'm so impressed with what you're providing to the students, and then how, students are really stepping up and just taking advantage of this incredible opportunity. So where can people go so they can learn more about the semiconductor education, the research, everything that's happening here at University of Idaho?
They can go to uidaho.edu/ENGR and find more information about our center and our semiconductor programs.
Wonderful. Both of you, thank you so much. Greatly appreciate it.
Thank you.